guys? Dave with Mateo's Towing and Recovery, back with another video. Right now we're gonna go pick up a Chevy Silverado for WD Wright. Sounds like it just had some decals and some vinyl graphics put on, and the engine won't start now. So we're gonna head out towards Raleigh to go pick this truck up, and then we're gonna go drop it off at a dealer, John Heister Chevrolet. So I'll see you guys in a few. Alright guys, so we made it to the pickup location. Finally got the keys for it. The battery's dead, so I used a jump box to move it out of the parking spot because it was backed in. That way it'll save them some money. Instead of hooking it up with the truck, picking it up, pulling it out and dropping it, just use the jump box. It's cheaper for the roadside. Anyways, let's grab this thing and get it towed over to the drop-off location. We're going over to the dealer. Alright guys, so we got this truck loaded up. Now let's throw on our tow light. We got our safety chains on. Probably aluminum, but let me double check. Yeah. Take our photos. I know a lot of you guys are against Teslas and stuff, not fans of EVs, but check out this Cybertruck. This thing is pretty badass. Cyber.B24. It's pretty nice. It's different. Pretty cool. Goes with the shape of the truck. Nice. Figured I'd show you guys. I saw it earlier when I got here. Alright, let's get this thing over to drop off. It is humid today, boy. Let me make sure I got the key for this truck. Yeah, I should have it inside of my truck. I'm sure everybody's been feeling it recently with this heat wave. I think even my camera saying device overheated. Screen will be disabled in 3 minutes because of how hot it is outside. I already had my camera stop recording for one of the pickup locations for a dump trailer. That video is coming up. It'll probably be posted before this one gets posted, but let's get over to the drop off, see how far we are away. About 17 miles, 28 minutes. Yeah, we're about 28 minutes. I'll see you guys in a few once we get over to the drop-off. What's up, guys? We're just pulling up to the drop-off address now. John Heister Chevrolet. Nice easy ride. Now let's go find a nice parking spot so we can drop this thing off. Hope everybody's having a good day. It's 94 degrees here in Garner, North Carolina. humidity, it probably feels like it's a little bit over 100. We've been having some heat wave. I think all of us have been. It's not just Alright, so I found a spot here. Let's take the safety chains off real quick. Because we gotta make too much of a tight turn here. Well, if this guy's pulling out, maybe not. Corvette up in front of it that's over the parking spot line, but we should be good right there. Let's go unload this puppy. Got a couple of more feet. The spring on this thing, I think they just swapped out the bed on this truck or something, but they don't take care of their new stuff, man. A lot of these workers just don't care, you know? It's not their truck. Why would they care? So if anybody's curious, I hooked right to the frame rail. take our pictures. That truck sounds pretty good. I miss my Duramax. Had a Duramax 2015 3500 GMC dually crew cab with 8-foot bed, and I had a self-loader underneath the back of it. I got rid of that truck right before I came to North Carolina. Originally from New York. Now we gotta go drop off the key at service. Well, I don't think you guys want to, holy shit, let's mount. Why does it do this? Okay. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.